welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this particular tutorial I'll be showing you how to import more than one picture or element in your designs when you're designing. I know you're used to one, so I'll just show you how to import more than one. Alright, so kudos to our design for this trick. So I'll just come to from gallery. Alright, so just normal one, when you use just this normal one, it just makes you pick just one. Even though I come here and I'm able to pick just one, not more than one. So this is bad. I know you also are tired of it. So me myself, I'm very tired of it. So if you're working on a project, I advise you just make sure you lock every of your projects. Make sure you lock every of your projects. Like mine, they are all locked, so I won't be moving around. So this fly is for a training I'm currently holding. Today is actually 11th of October 2022. Sorry, I'm behind my schedule. So the class will be kicking off on the 14th of August. So please, you can join. The link to the tutorial, the training group, will be in the description. It's a free tutorial, a free class. So I'll come to import this particular import, this one. I'll click it let's just try 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Please be fast with it, just be fast with it. So I will click this one first. See, it directs me back there. It didn't take me to my Pixellab. Click this one second. Wow, it just 2. So this is actually works just twice. Why? Okay, 1. Oh god. 1 2 3 4 5. So you just select it first. So these are the options I selected. You can see that I selected it. So the secret is just come here. Make sure just come here. Just click on this option here, import. Click it as many times you want. If you want to import 5 times, just click it 5 times. Then come to and select your image, the image you'll be making use of for your designs. Alright, so these are the images I selected. You can see I have all of them in my canvas. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. We'll see in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.